Good morning. My name is Claudia Moreno, a student of Health Administration in Ibagué, Tolima. I am going to talk about technology and its impact on the environment. Modernization brings benefits like environment, social, and psychological. But significant impact the environment. This is of innovation areas from the need to improve the quality of life, technology evolution. But the manages has caused contamination, deterioration of planet, mining exploitation. What can do we? We can recycle and home and work, useless detergent, plant trees, combining the plants with natural with life. For technology, the viewer health and not the destruction of life. Planets was working in this health. Thank you.